What's up YouTube? MX Dude here. So I guess it's time for another build. So we got a 08 Banshee. It's gonna be a full rebuild. It's gonna be a fully built Banshee. So I already went ahead and test fit the plastic. OEM plastic, they always fit well. Put my brand new decals on both sides. Yeah. Can't go wrong with the brand new OEM plastic, that's for sure. So frame was just powder coated. Freaking love powder coat, to be honest. I hate paint, but I love powder coat. Yeah. So anyway, let me get that piece in the garage and I'm gonna start to build that thing. It's time to build that 07. So in here we got a bunch of OEM part. We got a gas valve, PWK 28 intakes, billet water pump, bunch of OEM parts. That's to mod my airbox, mount my key, a bunch of new bolts, exhaust clamps, like the key ignition. So I don't want to name all of the parts, but if you're smart, you kind of know what it is. So those are graphic, PWK. So yeah, that's a brand, but it's not brand new, but it's freshly powder coated. It's a clutch cover, steering stem, pegs as well. So everything is powder coated. I really hate paint. To me, when somebody rebuild a freaking bike and they freaking paint the frame, it's a cheap way. I'd rather powder coat it. It's gonna last way longer and it's nicer. It's way nicer. Yeah. So we got all the cable, throttle, clutch. So that's the rear brake line, air filter. Look at them knuckle. I like to get them powder coated. All my bike get powder coated. Everything, basically everything is powder coated on my bike. Like I said, I really love powder coat. Can't you tell? Anyway, we got a nice adjustable axle. Brand new 35mm round housing swing arm. I actually really love those swing arms. They're really nice and they're not that expensive, to be honest. That's a pairing carrier, brand new as well. Got a nice set of LSR A-arms. I got them powder coated. They were red before, but it would have been nice. I'd rather have them black. So I got some brand new tires as well with bead locks. Not sure if I can show you the one. Yeah, you can see a bit. So brand new tire with the DWT wheels. So see, we got a lot of the parts here as well. So those are for, I'm actually building two bikes at the same time, a 2007 and a 2008. So that's why there's like two linkage, two stator, two of everything. So I think that's the engine I'm going to be using in it. I'm pretty sure that's the engine. That's for the 08. So I'm still waiting on my crank, piston, and all that good shit. It's kind of hard to remove by one hand. A second. Got it. So as you guys can see, they're empty cases for now. I just cleaned them up last week. Everything is clean, ready to be rebuilt. I'm waiting on my crank, piston, domes, my jet for my carbs, a few other little things, but most of it is here. See, we got the front hub, front galloper for the 07, front brake master. So everything is gonna be new, shiny, and good looking. So if everything go well, that bike should be ready in 3 to 4 weeks. It's gonna be ready to be delivered. So, all right, A-arms are installed, knuckle are installed. And actually, I got a couple parts installed. So coil is in, but I put the wrong one in. I gotta put that one since that one got some red cap and that one's an 07 and it's red. I gotta put the red cap on. Engine mount, right there. Pegs. Rear bumper. CDI and voltage regulator are on. Brake pedal is on as well. Oh, brand new OEM exhaust hanger. Brand new fender bracket. So yeah, everything is going pretty well. I think that's gonna be it for that video though. I was planning to do a rolling chassis, but we're gonna get a rolling chassis in the next video. Swing arm is on all build. So bearings are in, the sleeve is in, the guide is in, dust cap, the other guide is in as well. So it's coming along well, to be honest. Oh. Actually, I popped that bearing. I need to replace it. So I always get my frame powder coated, but I leave the old bearing in and then I remove it after. See, we got that nut collar, whatever you want to call it, right here. Not sure where I put that bearing though. I think it's gone. Anyway, fuck that bearing. We did some progress. That's all that matters. Bunch of parts were installed. That's good. So I guess I'm gonna leave you guys on that. That's gonna be enough for one video. It should be a couple minutes at least. Yeah. Anyway, that's it, boys. Peace out.